and welcome to our Intro to Media and Entertainment Industries project. The name of the project is Motorsport Connect. I am Gustavo Ramos, and my teammate is Cavan Bennigson. The overview of functions of this website is basically a website designed for the purpose of networking and connecting with people within the automotive and motorsport industry. Basically, it's a way to meet other people and find jobs and basically just connect and talk to them. There's also a marketplace for buying and selling cars, as well as automotive-related services. There's chat rooms and groups for enthusiasts, mechanics, business owners, drivers, and sponsors. The algorithm is a location-driven algorithm made to optimize the experience for users and provide local connections. This is more so like a Facebook and a LinkedIn for people in the motorsport industry.
An important aspect for any business is the competition. The primary competition for Motorsport Connect is similarly named Motorsport Network. The important difference to note, though, is, as it states in the name, Motorsport Connect aims to be more user-oriented with goals to connect people within the automotive world like never before. Motorsport Network only has one chat room, and it exclusively revolves around Ferraris. So Motorsport Connect would be much more geared toward connecting people and less towards just selling basically their streaming service, Motorsport TV. So we would facilitate connections between students, drivers, and sponsors, which are relationships that are notoriously difficult to initiate and develop within the automotive world.
Now, we're going to talk about Motorsport Connect Live. It is a way for watching F1 and NASCAR races on demand right after they air on major cable networks such as ESPN, ABC, or NBC. But also, we have a very important feature, which is the live streaming of local racing competitions. And you can also, as a user, get suggestions for race streaming based on your location, which is pretty great even to see racing at your local short track and follow some other local and minor racing leagues. We also want to work with Facebook to concurrently stream races through Facebook Live and Motorsport Connect Live. There's also a way to access any and all broadcast replays on demand that were produced by us, Motorsport Connect.
Horsepower Chat is another feature that will be available through Motorsport Connect. Its purpose is primarily for people to meet other motorsport fans. There will be multiple chat rooms divided among racing categories, and there will be the ability to connect external social media sites to chat room accounts to allow for cross-platform sharing. So basically, in comparison to the Motorsport Network, this is the real feature where people are able to meet others, as well as cultivate business opportunities and even just talk about their favorite races.
Motorsport In, as the name shows, it is a type of LinkedIn, but for the motorsport industry, where basically you can find work connections. You can create your own profile for displaying work experience and qualifications. And that will help employers see your skills and see if you're employable for their own specific needs. And there's the ability to follow and connect with people in the industry. You can find and apply for jobs in any branch of the motorsport industry, whether it be engineering, PR, even actual driving. And it is similar to the Indeed website, where basically you can have the entire hiring process facilitated through the site. There's plenty of options. You can find any employers, you can find any type of jobs you want. You just have to put yourself out there and showcase your skills, showcase your experience, and show that you can actually be a good employer and a good employee in different industry jobs.
RFF, or Racing for the Future, is the feature contained within Motorsport Connect that serves the purpose of connecting students with industry. cross-continental partnership with USA's UTI, Universal Technical Institute, and UK's National Motorsport Academy would lead to partnerships with top industry companies. And so students would be able to go straight into the workforce in the automotive industry, sometimes even while continuing to study.
As said before, there's also a cars and auto service marketplace where users can buy and sell their own cars and even auto parts, as well as classic car auctions and auctions of literally any car type or any car category. And there's also an exchange of automotive services, and there's also like repair services. There's basically any service you can do to a car, you can find it, you can offer it, and you can, hire it through the marketplace. This is also a great way for racing teams to find their own pit crew, their own members, their own engineers. Basically, it is a great way for teams to be made and to actually fight for championships in their own local or even national leagues.
Local Connect goes back to the location-based algorithm. The algorithm would serve to connect people with local and nearby enthusiasts, other fans, shops, tracks, teams, and sponsors that are geographically close to them. So it would foster people actually becoming part of their local automotive community. It would also allow for people to search different communities via zip codes. So if you're planning on moving out and you want to slide right into the automotive world where you're planning to move to, that can also be done through Motorsport Connect.
Next up, we have a very important feature, Track Finder, which is a tool for finding tracks nearby, whether it be short tracks, dirt tracks, even short road courses. And you can actually know who owns and works the track, depending, of course, if they're part of Motorsport Connect. And it is also a great way if you're traveling or moving out, you can look for a track in literally any part of the US or the UK. You can just put a zip code or put a city and you will find tracks on a certain nearby radius, which is great to find and join local, state, and even national racing leagues. And who knows, you may be the next national champion.
The finances in this industry are looking up. With a massive increase in attendance to Formula One this year, it shows that there is increasing interest and engagement in the industry as a whole. Motorsport Network has been successful with things like Motorsport TV, but we see ourselves having the financial edge in some other areas. These include things like social networking, tailoring the experience locally to consumers, which is a feature that Motorsport Network fails to even notice. And lastly, providing for cross-platform and cross-network compatibility, utilizing features such as connect your Instagram account or connect your Facebook account. So, invest in the racing industry, invest in jobs, invest in people, invest in Motorsport Connect. Thank you.
Thank you.